all, this is Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. Today we are gonna see how can you install Scratch 3 offline editor. Before we download that, take a second and smash that like button and share this to all of your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to receive my videos. So now let's get right into the video. So first, go to the link in the description to download Scratch. It's scratch.mit.edu/download. Go to that website, links are in the description. So after that, the requirements are you should be in Windows 10 plus Android. You can use Android. You can use Scratch on Android also, but we have one problem. You need to downgrade to Android 6.0. If you go to settings and go to about phone, and you can see that the Android version will be there. It's for my version is Android 9, so I cannot download on Android 9. So you need to be in Android 6 plus. 6 plus. I think you can use it on that, but I cannot install on my phone for some reason. It's not coming up. So after that, you need to be in Mac or Chrome OS, and if you want to install it for Windows 10, which I am in Windows 10, you need to download it from Microsoft Store, or just directly download it from the website. You can also get older versions, but 2.0 is only version available for Windows 10. The 4.4 is the first version of Scratch, but it's not available for Windows 10. It's available for Windows 2000, XP, Vista, and 7 and 8. So yeah. So if you want to install Scratch 2.0, you can click here, but for this there's one requirement. You need to be having Adobe Air, or it will install itself. So that's the requirements you need for Scratch 2.0. For Scratch 3.0, no need to download Adobe Air. So let's click on direct download. I already downloaded, so I'm just going to go to downloads. It will show up, I think. Okay, let's open the downloads page. I'm in Microsoft Edge, so yeah. Let's just open the downloads folder. It will open the downloads folder in File Explorer. Now I will actually run the setup from the start. I will show you step by step. It's basically you should click on next. I will show you. Wait, it's loading. Okay, it's loading. Yes, you need to click on Scratch 3.2 3.1 setup.exe. You need to click on that. Wait, it's the and double click or just open it from here. Okay, it will open in a few seconds. It's open. And I will just pause it and open it. Okay, it opened, and it will ask first. It will ask, please select either you wish to make this software available to all users or just to yourself. So if you want to install this software for all the users, or just install it for just one user, which is me. So I want to install it for just me, so I will click on that and install. It will take a little minutes to, so I will just pause it and I will continue after it's installed. Okay, it's now installed. Now click on finish, and if you check this, it will run Scratch 3. So now let's click on finish. Okay, now in a few minutes it will run Scratch 3. It will take a little while, so I'm just gonna pass it and it will run. And then, it's already okay. Okay, it's telling Scratch loading. Scratch is loading, sorry. And I will tell you what is the opportunity with Scratch 3 offline editor. It gives us the access without internet. For example, if you don't have internet at your home, you can just install this and use it offline. That's one of the opportunities, and that's all. So yeah. So you might be asking, where is the profile? You can see we don't need to sign in if we are using it offline. So so that's how you can install Scratch 3 offline editor. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, I'm Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. If you have any doubts, please comment down below or just go to the link in the description to my profile. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.